What's good, family? It's your boy Prince, and we are back with our first day of trading, guys. So, got my charts drawn up. Let me go ahead and start recording this thing real quick. Support lines, we're on the 5 minute. I like to start the market on the 15 minute. Right now we are 7 minutes away from market open. So here's your NQ. Here's your this is US 30. I think I said NQ. So here's our US 30 YM, US 30 futures, and I got the S&P 500 futures also. Yes. So as you can see, all three of these charts look super familiar. That's why I like to trade them. My biggest one is my is NASDAQ. So what we're looking for, guys, here, we're just looking for a break. So we have our support. We have our support, we have our resistance line here, support and resistance, and our trend lines. So what I'm looking for, double confirmation here. So you see my small inside trend line here. So what I'm gonna look for, just like right now, you can see it's bouncing before market open, right? So I might look for a breakthrough here. Once I get a break and then a breakthrough my support, that's somewhat of a confirmation for me. I might take a short coming down here to my major support line, right? And then, obviously vice versa, push up here and break through resistance. I might take a break once it breaks through my support line there also. I might take a long in there, all right? So we'll see. I like to do break and retest, but sometimes once like here, if I get the double confirmation breakthrough support here, support there and break through my trend line there, I'm sorry, and then support, then I might just go and take this one, take a short. All right, so now we are getting ready. Market's about to open, and I'm excited. All right, guys. So I guess from here on out, you guys are getting a voiceover. I don't know what the heck happened. I was trying to screen record. So yeah, I done messed something up. This is my first time doing this video overlay and trying to do it like this. But as you guys can see on the screen, so I got my lines drawn up. I got my trend lines and I got my support and resistance line. And so market's open. So what I was waiting for here, I was waiting for a break. Just break above that resistance line. And I wanted to get two confirmation if it breaks above that green resistance where you see that green candle right now, or it breaks above that trend line, downward trend line. That's when that's where I want to take my entry. So you can see here, marking up the charts, getting ready. We are on YM US 30 futures. So yeah, we are just waiting for a sale right here. So now I'm just trying to adjust my stop. I did have that stop a little bit tight. I like to go for, 1-to-1. I'm not one to really stretch my stops out too much because I like to take very decent sniper entries, so I try not to stretch my stops out way too much, guys. So, I'm just adjusting it, always trade with a stop loss. Not always that I'll trade with a take profit because I am a swing trader, so I'm quick in and out, so, and I like to trail my stop loss also. So right now we're on NQ, that is the NAS100 US, that's the futures, so right here you can see where we're getting a little bit of break above that resistance right there. So we're getting a little bit of break right there, guys, above that support resistance. And what I'm gonna do here is wait for that confirmation to get in on, you know, by on this one on along. I like to take breakout, but sometimes I like to get that double confirmation. And that's kind of what I did here. I could have gotten on that long right there, since broke out of my support and resistance. So I could have took a long there, but I wanted a second confirmation, on getting in on this play right here. So I'm going back and forth on the chart, checking out YM, US 30 and ES. ES is also the S&P 500 futures. All right, so now we're back on NASDAQ. I've never done this voiceover, guys, so forgive me. I'm trying to edit the video, and of course I done messed it up, but we'll get better with this. Normally I don't do vlogging videos and stuff like that. This is the first one. We'll get better. So right here we're just waiting. So we're starting to break out there a little bit. I just wanted a little bit more confirmation on that breakout. Break above my downward trend line. So I'm just going back and forth on the charts just to check and just to see what direction, because most of the time these units follow each other. So I like to go back and forth just to get multiple confirmation on where the market want to go. And I had some issue today with trading view for some reason. When I was going back and forth, especially when the market opened, it just started lagging just a little bit. Like my lines wasn't there most of the time. This is where I should be getting in on this. There we go. So I'm in now, guys. I'm in a long. We had an instant drawdown, due to volatility. So we had some drawdown there. This one I got in a little bit late, and I wanted to get in. I think I did go back and forth to the 1 minute. I wanted a little bit more confirmation. Normally I wait for a retest on this one, guys, but with the news and what's going on, and I already had one confirmation, so I was like, you know what, let's get it on this one. So I did get in, and I did have a little bit of drawdown on this one to start. I had my my stop loss real tight. I had it real tight, guys, because I wasn't I wasn't trying to risk too much, even though I did get the double confirmation. But we have some drawdown there a little bit. And now we're just waiting, trying to evaluate the market a little bit, see what he wants to do. I put my stop loss right below my trend line. That way if we go down there and retest, my position will still be safe. So here, this is what I'm talking about, where you see the lines are not on the charts. It just had some lag today. I don't know why. Maybe because I was screen recording and doing a whole bunch of stuff. So yeah, for some reason I've never had lags on TradingView. So I was trying to set up US 30 here. Just a light, stop loss 600. So went back to now we're back on NAS100. We're starting to see some momentum now. So we're starting to go up a little bit. I'm going back and forth, fluctuating a little bit, going back and forth. There we go. So right now we're starting to push up a little bit. Got some confirmation. So now we're definitely starting to push. And I could have held this trade a little bit longer, guys, honestly. But I really wanted, I said, I like getting my in and out and just go about it. As I say, I'm a scalper. I don't really like sitting on the market for too long. I like going in, market open, make some profit, or just trade, and then go. So here you can see I brought my stop loss above my my entry. That way I can capitalize on something. And I like to trail. Right now I'm trailing the price right now. You can see right now is over $1,000. Trailing, I did get stumped out up here somewhere. So I did walk away with almost $900, within 7 minutes. Easy money. Can't be mad at that. So we wrapped it up here for the video, guys. I appreciate y'all for watching, man. I will get y'all on the next video and I will make it better on the next time. All right. Peace out.